In old and traditional societies, wet nurses would breastfeed little babies. Why was that possible? It was because a mother chose to see herself as an open system, as a human being, rather than as a closed system. Human beings who see themselves as open system are more likely to employ others and engage others and include others in the pursuit of their fulfillment and the pursuit of their dreams, and in fact co-create something. And if we focus on this kind of co-creation, each of the individuals can relax more, can enjoy more, and also have opportunity. I think if overworked individuals decide to see themselves as open systems, and overworked societies choose to slow down and engage other societies and bank upon the gifts of other people and societies, then we can create a more equal world, a world where there is more inclusive growth. So this is about becoming less exclusive, more inclusive, and changing our attitudes rather than looking for newer strategies or platforms. Thank you.